Welcome back. Today we're going to be dropping the deck on this Troy Bilt 7-speed pony riding mower. I'm going to be changing out the blades. It's also the same way to change the belt. For the blades, all you're going to need to take everything apart is just a needle nose and then a 24mm socket, impact, or a good wrench, and then maybe bring some extra clips just in case you lose some. But we'll just jump right to it. So on the right side, I always like to pop the belt off first. So you're going to be pushing in this red. That slides right out of the way. Your belt will drop out. And then you're going to be working on your pins over here. So you're going to have one pin right here. And then you're going to have the one right here on this side as well. Alright, so first pin pulls right out. This one just push right out of the way. Second pin right here. This is going to push right out as well. Move that right out of the way. Let's go to the other side. You just have this pin right here. And then your last pin is going to be this one right back here. Alright, once that one's out, you'll want to go ahead and grab right here. As long as the front belt's off, you're going to pull this back. That's going to give you enough room to get this spring taken off. Just like that. And then you can also move this guy out of the way if it's too much in your way. It just wiggles up. There's nothing holding it in. Just takes a minute to get it. There you go. So once you got those few pins out, this deck's ready to slide out. You're just going to have to keep kind of moving these bars out of the way because they get caught on stuff. We're almost ready to flip it over now and do the blade. If you happen to need to do your belt, all you have to do is take off a bolt here, 2 bolts here, and then 2 right here. I had to put a little washer on it because my part cracked, and then the blade just comes right off. You'll just have to pull it a little bit. Let's flip it over and then swap out the blades. This is where you're going to need your 24mm either impact or a ratchet. Alright, so I just got them flipped over and I'm just soaking them with some WD-40 before we go add them with the impact, just so it's easier to come off. Alright, so they've been soaking for a few minutes, so I'm just wiping off the excess. Came right off. Perfect. So remember, your orientation is the biggest thing. You see how it is lower here, so it's like when it spins, it cuts and pulls up. It spins this way, so it's going to cut with this and then flips down. So the new blade, same thing. You want to put it face down like this on my end so it matches. Alright. Perfect, and then just spin them a little bit by hand just to make sure they don't hit each other anywhere, because that wouldn't be good. So it looks like we're just enough clearance with everything. Let's tighten them back up. Slid it back over and slide it back under the mower. Alright, once you're slid back in place, I always like to start in reverse. So we're going to put the spring back on first. It's just going to line up and slide right into place in this. You can see the gap. And you'll put your pin back in that first. There we go. That one's in first. All right, once your spring's in, you're just going to grab the mechanism, pull it up, hit your spring, and it's going to go under the belt, but it's going to go in like this, right into the hook, right here. Then you can let it go. Then you got to put this guy back in place, which is going to go right back in the hole right over here. So you're just going to pull it back up a little bit. There we go. And now you can work on the brackets. So if you don't remember, this big hole right here is where this bar goes into. But it goes on the inside. There's a little slit right here. You might have to wiggle the deck around to get it lined up. And then it looks like I had to pick the deck up just a teeny bit. There we go. And then that one takes a spring lock pin as well. There we go. Let's move to the other side, and then we'll get the front on. All right. Same thing on this side. This bar is going to go right back through right here. Got to twist the deck a little bit. Close. And then you're going to have to pick up a little bit on the deck. There we go. Put your pin back in that one. And then lastly, we'll do the front. We'll just have to shift the deck over a little bit for that one as well. There we go. And this one has the bigger pin on it. And lastly, this pin right back on. Lastly is going to be this belt. So this belt should just slide on almost all the way. Very. And then you're gonna, if you pull this down, you're gonna have to line it right back up here, and it's gonna take you a few tries. It's pretty stiff. There we go. And then just make sure everything kind of free spins, and you're good to go. Let's fire it up and give it a test. Alright, cut pretty well. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.